Hello everyone, hi, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have created green smoky glittery eye makeup look that I learned again from Sakshi Urvashi Ma'am's masterclass. So I tried recreating it. I don't know how much justice I have done to the lessons that I learned, but I just gave it a try. I loved that look. I'm sure it's gonna look wonderful when you guys are also gonna try it. I have spoken about detailed steps on how I created this look and how I learned from them. I hope you would like it. Stay tuned for the entire makeup tutorial. Without any further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna be covering 3/4 of my eyelid with a concealer as my eyeshadow base. Now we'll be blending the concealer with a beauty blender. Just make sure to not leave any harsh edges on your face while blending the concealer. We are going to set the concealer with a loose powder. I'm going to be taking this light orange peachy shade on my eyelids, on my crease and above my crease to create a transition shade. Not in one go, but we would build up the transition shade gradually. Now we are going to be taking a little darker peachy orange shade than the previous one to apply on the crease. Now for the outer V, I'm gonna be using a black eyeshadow from my eyeshadow palette and create a V shape at the outer V of my eyes, and I'm gonna blend the black shade gradually towards the inner corners. Now I'm going to be using a large fluffy blending brush to blend all the shades together. I've used a green kohl here to apply on the center and inner corner of my eyelids, forming a base for glitter application later on. Now I'm going to be taking green shimmer here to apply on the kohl. Yeah, the kohl and the shimmer does not match, but I did not have the exact green color that I'm going to be using for my shimmer and glitter, so I had to manage with a kind of teal green kohl. Now again with the flat thick blending brush, I blended the edges of the shimmer application and also the black eyeshadow on my crease. I've used a gel eyeliner here as my eyeliner for my upper lash line. Smudging the eyeliner that I have applied here for a smudged liner look, which is kind of in a trend, So I have also used a little bit of black eyeshadow to blend the edges of the eyeliner that I have applied. Now after creating a smudged eyeliner look, I took a glitter primer and applied on the shimmer that I had applied for application of glitter. You're going to be cleaning the glitter fallouts and eyeshadow fallouts from my face using a micellar water on a cotton pad. Now it's time to apply some moisturizer on face for adding hydration before you directly apply makeup. Now I'm going to be applying primer before using foundation or concealer on my face. I always use a primer underneath my makeup so my makeup would last a little more longer than it should have. Now as Asians, all of us would have a little bit of pigmentation under the eyes, around your mouth, on your cheeks or around your nose. So to correct all those, I have used orange corrector and I'm gonna be blending it with my beauty blender. We are going to camouflage the corrector that we have applied with the concealer, which would be similar to my skin tone. Now I'm going to be applying foundation on my face as dots initially, because I don't know, it depends on my preference, it might differ for you, but I like applying my foundation in dots and then blending it with beauty blender or a flat kabuki brush. It helps me to have an even coverage on my face. We are going to be using the same concealer that we used as eyeshadow base for cream highlighting, for under eyes, nose bridge, center of forehead, chin area and cupid's bow, and a little bit under the cheekbone to add a sculpted look after we do the contouring. I used a loose powder to set the cream highlight on my face. It is the same loose powder that I used on my eyeshadow base to set it. And then I set my entire face with my favorite compact powder. If you're wondering why I set my cream contour with a loose powder, to keep it set a little more than my entire face. I'm contouring my face here with the contour powder for my cheeks and nose bridge and my jawline to keep everything look sculpted and contoured and a kind of bronzed up look, you know. Now we are going to be adding powder blush on the cheeks to add that coral flush. Now I'm going to be using black kohl for my lower lash line. Here I'm going to be setting my black kohl with a black eyeshadow. Here I'm smudging the black eyeshadow with the orange shadow that I had applied on my crease. Now I have used my favorite eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrows. This is Sugar Arc Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper. I have already reviewed this product in detail in my channel. If you haven't checked it out already, please go check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. because this product is worth the shot. You really need to give it a try. Now I'm going to be applying my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter with a fan brush by Lacara. Highlighting inner corner of eyes is mandatory for me, and I love to highlight it with my little finger, and also I love to highlight my brow bone using a pencil brush. After applying my lashes off camera, I'm using a little bit of mascara to merge my natural lashes with my falsies. And here's my favorite part, applying lipstick. This shade is one of my most favorite shades in my nude lipstick collection. Yes, people who are watching me would have known this is Bellatrix by Sugar Metal Liquid Lipstick collection.